Hello people and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm gonna be introducing a new series called the Platformer series. Now in this series I'm gonna show you how to make a platformer on Scratch and build it really efficiently and really greatly. So first of all, what's a platformer? Now I guess you might have seen or played the Super Mario game or something like that. So that's exactly what a platformer is. But in Scratch, there is another kind of platformer called a level platformer. Now, how is that different from Mario? I have some links in the description down below. You can click that and play the game, and after playing that you can just have an idea about what level platformers are. So let's get right into this video. So first we're gonna go in the costumes tab and we're gonna delete the unnecessary costumes, and we're gonna have the square, and we're gonna make a nice little square and center it. This is gonna be our player, so we're gonna name this player. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to the scripts and we're gonna go in events and drag and when clicked flag block. After that we're gonna put a forever if and when key space pressed. So before moving on into this script, we're gonna make a variable. First of all, delete all the unnecessary variables because we don't need any cluster of variables in our project. We're gonna create a new variable named x. After doing that, we're gonna put this right at the start. So set x to 0, and when key right arrow is pressed, we're gonna change x by 0.5. Now we're just gonna duplicate this and we're gonna put this left arrow and just add a negative sign right there. Now how the script will work is whenever the right arrow key is pressed, it will change this variable to the right side, and whenever the left arrow key is pressed, it will change it to left side. Now for our player to move, and not only the variable but also our player to move, we're gonna put in a change x by x variable. Now let's see how it works. And as you can see, it works, but it still keeps on moving. So that's not what we want. We want our player to stop after a certain extent. So for that, we're gonna put in a set x block, and we're gonna put a multiplication block and put the set x block, and we're gonna multiply x by 0.9. So this calculation works because then it just reduces the amount of x, and then it gives a really nice glide effect on this player. Now this comes the left and right arrow key movement of the player. Now for the gravity, wall jumping and physics, you'll have to wait for the next video. From now on, I promise to post videos more frequently, so you can just check out my other videos, and also make sure to subscribe if you like this video and also like it, and make sure to wait for the part 2, and until then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.